To my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And I have no makeup other than a lot of eye makeup on. In case you don't know, I'm doing hashtag 31 days of Halloween, or trying my best. The videos, I'm gonna have 31 looks. They just might not all be up the day of, because actually doing the look and finding time to edit it still relax is a lot. And Tuesday I had a long meeting that was 3 hours, and yeah, after work. So yeah, so I'm running behind again this week, but I will catch up. I will find time to edit videos and get them up. Probably like when things take longer, and then, you know, like it might not take, like Mad Hatter took about 35 minutes total, top to bottom, like, but washing that off took almost like 20 minutes, and then some makeup takes like 30 to 40 minutes to wash all off. So, you know, whatever. My neck's still pale from an earlier look, so we're just ignoring that. I still need to get that off. It's fine. But yeah, it's Halloween. Today is very, very exciting because I got one of my Jeffree Star Halloween mystery boxes, and this is so cute. I love how he is able to get the emoji on there. This is the premium one, which was $40. It contains 4 items, I do believe, one specific to this box. And then I also got the medium size box, which was $75, which is the deluxe. But it hasn't even shipped and left the warehouse yet. This one arrived today. I have not even opened it. It's still sealed. But yeah, I was like wondering, and see, I was only going to get the medium box because I thought that the exclusive lipsticks were just in that. But then I saw an IG story with Jeffree, and he said that the liquid lipsticks are only in this box and then in the big box. So I'm like, well, okay, guess I'm getting both because I want the lipsticks that will never be seen again. I think one was called like Bloodsucker, and the other one was called something else. I was like, I need those in my life. And I'm hoping they're like metallic because they kind of look glittery. Oh my gosh, can we open this box? That's why I was trying to pull this open, and it actually lifts up more of my edges. Okay. Alright, so it is in black and some green paper. Alright, first I have a Bullet lipstick. It looks like a metallic, maybe metallic, but in brown sugar. We got a little dented right there. Cool. Ooh, it's gold. I didn't know he had it gold. Oh yeah. Oh, that's glittery. Ooh. It's almost like sheer. This is a cream, or it feels creamy. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. Why not? We'll have a little swatch video, so I have something besides eye makeup on. Okay, it's almost sheer, or like the first layer sheer. You can kind of build it up. It almost looks like a highlight. It really does. Like, it looks like a highlight. Like, if I just showed you that swatch, you would think it was a highlight. Glitter's not rough at all, which is really nice. I like this. This is a really good formula. I kind of prefer it to his matte lipstick. This is a good formula. You just have to build it up a little bit. This one's just a little sheerish. Like, you can still kind of see my lip color through it. Which is fine. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I am cool with that, Jeffree. That is nice. Okay. Next up, I have. Was this the color? Yes! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I'm excited. I was able to get, what color was it? The strawberry pop or something? Is it strawberry pop color? Maybe the coral one. But I was wanting cherry wet, right? Right? This is the color I did not get before. It was cherry wet. Yes, I was hoping in the past mystery boxes that I would get cherry wet. And that's the color I was really wanting. I think it's called maybe coral. No, Coral Crush's Dose of Colors. What is that color? I'm pretty sure it's not this one though. in Cherry Wet, which is the red. It looks a little bit more on the pink side. Again, gorgeous. I just have to remember I have it. Comes off super easy. Again, it's not matte. So we're gonna swatch Cherry Wet, but Cherry Wet's like the color I was wanting. Yeah, no, I don't think I got this one. I got like the coral one. Was it called coral something or no, I don't know. I forgot what it's called. They're from the same collection. I have glitter all over my mouth. Okay, that lip color is gonna leave you with glitter all over your mouth. Y'all know I don't even pay full price for a drugstore lipstick. I wait till it's like buy one get one half off or 40% off. I ain't got any of my lipsticks. That's why I don't usually buy any outside of this, except for I bought the Equality collection because I wanted to be able to doodle on my eyes. That's super pretty. That's not even just a summer shade. Oh my gosh, this is so good because y'all know I had bought two of the small ones and I think one of the big ones are medium size. Yeah, the big one and two of the mediums, and two of my small ones were the same last time. I'm like, how y'all do that? Give me the same box. Anyway, okay, so I got Soul Sucker instead of what is it called, Zombie something or another, and like, so I don't even know what color this is, but super excited. Oh, it's black with orange glitter. It's black with orange glitter. So this is the color that won't be made again. It's not part of the collection. Oh, look how clean that wand is. In the doe foot. Okay. Oh, wow. Those are big hunks of glitter. See them? So you might have to build up the opacity in this one. Honestly, not an issue. I'm pretty sure he said Black Friday he was going to have mystery boxes. I'm like, just break me a little bit more. Just keep on breaking me. It's okay. Need money. Let's see how this goes. That's so Halloween-y. It is sheer. Plain sheer, which you might want sheer just to have all that glitter show up. That's not a big deal. Look, I'm actually doing good in shaking it up. Pain, but a total Halloween color with that orange glitter. I hope it shows up. Alright. Last thing, so that was Soul Sucker. So last thing is in this little thingy. I mean, great if you didn't get it. You got the mini breaker. So I was totally with this box, and oh my gosh, this definitely makes it worth it. And each lipstick's $18 a piece. Okay, this was $27 or is $27. So if y'all haven't seen it, like, I ran a giveaway with this one. Yeah, thought it had a protective covering. This one doesn't. I actually love this palette. I think it's so good and versatile for like summer to even fall. Like I can still wear it now. I'm just trying out different things. So great palette, I guess. I don't know what I'm going to be doing with that one. It's going to be a Christmas gift to somebody. My niece. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Alright, well, so that's that's actually great to have that. That's his newer collection. If you're hesitant to get that, I mean, it's great that it was in here. I mean, I didn't expect that. I figured a highlighter. That's normally what he does. But these 3 lipsticks, except for Soul Sucker, which is a pain, is probably you need to apply, let dry, apply again, or do like one individual stripe dip, like going down like that to get it opaque. But I think I don't know if it's the black formula or just more like when you go over it, the glitter on the doe foot pulls the glitter from the first layer, so it moves the black around. And I think that's what it was kind of doing. But I'm excited about all these colors. I'm like, these are great. All right. So there was my premium box. That's actually, I don't know what, someone's going to get that mini breaker for Christmas, I imagine. So anyway, so thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles. Would you say hi to boo 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 boo? Boo boo boo.